Welcome to Hagia Sophia, one of the most iconic buildings in the world, and you're seeing it now in full 360 degrees virtual reality. Right now, you're standing on the upper balcony looking down at a place where empires, faiths and civilizations have come together under one magnificent dome for nearly 1,500 years. Located in the heart of Sultanahmet, Istanbul's historic district, Hagia Sophia is just steps away from the Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace and Sultanahmet Square. If you're visiting Istanbul, it's easy to find. Take the T1 tram line and get off at Sultanahmet station. From there, it's a short 5-minute walk through a square that's full of energy, history and street vendors, offering everything from fresh juice to handmade souvenirs. Today, Hagia Sophia is once again functioning as a mosque, but visitors from all over the world are welcome. To access the upper gallery and see these panoramic views, there's an entrance fee of around €40 or dollars, which includes the museum-level exhibits. As we move slowly along the balcony, you'll start to notice the remarkable Christian mosaics still visible on the upper walls. Hagia Sophia was originally constructed in 537 AD by the Byzantine Emperor Justinian I as a cathedral, and for nearly 1,000 years, it was the largest church in the world. Later, it was converted into a mosque by the Ottomans in 1453, and then into a museum in the 20th century, before returning to mosque status in 2020. Despite the transitions, the building's rich Christian and Islamic heritage coexists beautifully. Arabic calligraphy and massive medallions share space with golden Byzantine mosaics, a truly rare visual experience. As you follow this upper corridor, remember, these very halls were walked by Byzantine emperors, by priests during great councils, and later by Ottoman sultans and foreign dignitaries. Look closely at the marble walls and worn steps. They've witnessed the turning points of both Eastern and Western history. From above, the building's scale becomes clear. The central dome stretches 55 meters above the floor, a feat of architecture that has inspired mosques and churches across the world. At prayer time, the floor below fills with quiet devotion, while visitors admire the stunning harmony of design, light, and color. Here to your left, you'll see another preserved Orthodox mosaic, delicate radiant gold tiles that shine even in the shadows. And just ahead, directly above the altar, is perhaps the most famous of them all, the Virgin Mary holding the Christ child, high on the apse, surrounded by Islamic inscriptions. This visual dialogue between two faiths makes Hagia Sophia uniquely powerful. Take a moment now to absorb the atmosphere. You're surrounded by nearly 1,500 years of history. The chandeliers, hanging low and warm, add a softness to the vast interior. The sunlight pours in through countless windows, making the stone glow in gold and blue. As we prepare to descend, notice the Christian artworks preserved near the exit, on the ground floor. Many visitors miss these, but they tell stories of saints, emperors, and divine visions once central to this space. Now we step outside, into the interior courtyard. The contrast is striking. From the quiet sacred space to the buzz of daily life outside. This courtyard once served as a gathering point for the faithful. Hagia Sophia isn't just a monument, it's a living archive. It has stood through the rise and fall of empires, through religious transitions, wars, peace, and global admiration. And through all that, it continues to inspire awe. Whether you're here for the architecture, the spiritual depth, or the sheer wonder of it all, Hagia Sophia offers something unforgettable. If you're coming to Istanbul, this is a must-see.